Are you struggling to grow your Instagram following? Today, I'm going to share essential steps to help you gain followers effectively. Hello and welcome to How to Easy Quick. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through key strategies to build your Instagram presence and turn your account into a potential income stream. Let's get started. Step 1. Create a brandable account. Choose a catchy, memorable username that's easy to remember and market. Avoid random names. Think about how it represents your brand. Step 2. Set up an aged Gmail. Use a Gmail account that's at least a few weeks or months old to avoid being flagged as a bot. This small step can make a big difference. Step 3. Warm up your account. Spend about 10 minutes, 3 to 4 times a day, engaging with content in your niche. Like, save, and follow high-performing accounts to help the algorithm understand your target audience. Step 4. Research competitors. Identify 4 to 5 successful accounts in your niche. Analyze their content and high-performing posts to gather ideas for your own videos. Step 5. Content creation. Use proven viral videos as templates. Edit them with your own footage while keeping the same narrative structure to ensure quality and relevance. Step 6. Make your content unique. Differentiate your videos by using unique filters, fonts, or clips. Change one element at a time to gauge its impact on engagement. Step 7. Timing is key. Post at optimal times based on your audience's time zone. For a US audience, consider posting in the early evening EST. Step 8. Analyze performance. Regularly check your post analytics. Adjust your strategy based on what's working, making incremental changes to improve engagement. Step 9. Engage and monetize. Once you build a following, explore monetization options. Consider creating a series to share your journey with your audience. By following these steps, you can grow your Instagram following effectively and create new opportunities for income. Remember, consistency and analysis are crucial for long-term success. If you found this video helpful, please let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more easy and quick tips. See you in the next one.